Missing number bonds with Teacher Farah.
So we know there are many ways to represent a part whole. Here I'm using counters. I have a part of 5, a part of 6, and I am missing the whole. All of my parts will combine to form the whole, which is 11. Let's try another one. Here we have 5 and 3, but this time we are not using manipulatives to represent our thinking. We are only using numbers. So, can you try to figure out what the whole could be? If this were an equation, it would be 5 plus 3. And we know that 5 plus 3 equals 8.
Children, now I'm going to show you how to do missing number bonds. Okay, now we have whole with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whole with 5. And in this part, we're going to have 1, 2. So how many we going to have in this part? 1, 2, 3. 2 and 3 make a whole 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to show to you another example where we have a whole of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whole of 7. So if in this part we're going to have 1, 2, 3, how many we going to have in this part? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4. So 4 and 3 make a whole of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job, children.